Here rocking my afro, my blow dried afro. I got my hair colored this weekend. Don't ask me what color it is. I was going for a blonde, but because I had some highlights over here, it kind of made one side brighter than the other. So it's like dull side, bright side. I'm just pretty proud of my hair. It's healthy and it's growing and I'm just so excited about it. Like when I cut my hair, everybody was like, no, Mishka, you're not gonna go natural. But look at me here. It's going on good. Pretty proud of it. So yeah, I wanted something a little bit brighter but not too bright, so I'm actually satisfied with this color for now. Whenever I want to go back dull, I'll just get a darker rinse and just put it over it. But enough of that. I'm in Negril and I'm gonna check out this little place that we found on the west end that's actually good for some pics. So I'm taking you guys with me. So now we're going to this little spot that has been deserted to see if we can get some real nice pics there and to just check it out. Heard the view is nice. So yeah. Also around here you have the Rock House Hotel, which I used to do yoga. Oh, how I miss my yoga classes. That's the Rock House Hotel right there. And you're Jamaican stuff. And you have the Hungry Lion right there. There you have Rick's Cafe. So yeah, this is after you get off the tourist stretch. So this is like the back road of the West End.
Happy 18th birthday to the most wonderful daughter in the world, Jade Harris from Mama.
Small houses.
Happy 18th birthday to the daughter, Jade Harris. Hope you know a wonderful day today.
The cows. Moo. Moo. Cow parade.
There's somebody there with turn around. Immediately.
For sure. Like this is all the way in the bush. Like bush life. But if anyone is there, gonna turn around. So yeah. Always find a nice, beautiful spot all the way in the bushes. Oh my god, there's someone. Oh no, wait. Just goats. Just goats, guys. Just goats. I don't know, just feel a little bit crazy today. But yeah, where's my little pick comb? So I can just pick up on my afro. Yeah, so this is it. Which way? That way? So, this place is like abandoned. The sun is hot today though. Here you have one of them almond trees. Ooh. It's quiet though. It's pretty quiet. And the sea is just so pretty. tired. Apart from the fact that it's so polluted. Huh? Go up there? Oh. So apart from that, yeah, so many bottles lying around. It's actually pretty nice. It's pretty nice scene. Ah, what is that? Ew. Anyways, climbing up top so that I can get a better view to show you guys. Wow. Alright, let me show you guys. Ah, there it is. Secret beach. Voila. It's lovely. Little sand patch there, little cliff over there. Then you have the view of over there. Nice. If I had money, I would literally just fix this up and then just turn it into a nice little chill spot. I already got some old buildings already, so that'll be good. But yeah, so quiet and so nice. Oh, and the sun. I want to go a little bit closer, maybe get my foot wet a little. Nice. So lovely. I love it. So yeah, it's good when you can find quiet spots like these, secluded, hot, but at the same time beautiful. Yeah. Ready to take some pics? Ready to take some pics? Now we're gonna find some photo spots. Hey! Hopefully some good pics come out of that because I'm hot. I'm burning up. Pine tree. I like this little graffiti here. At all. The last time I had a graffiti pic was in Germany. Yeah. What's it saying? Kendra and Randall. Nice. So yeah, that's that. Place too hot, man. Yeah, now it's time to... Let me show you guys this before we leave. Just a quick of this little wall right here. Like, how cute is that wall? It's nice, right? So yeah, we're leaving. I'm hungry and it's breakfast time. So we're heading to Xtabi, get some food, and then head back home because my friend has the flu and he's not feeling too well. So yeah, plus I'm over this heat. It's hot. Look at this little guy. Cute. we're leaving this place. Time to head out. I'm hungry. I can hear the Eggs Benedict calling my name. Yeah. Plus things are starting to itch me. Got some nice Snapchat though. Snapchat. What are those? What is this? It says Rio Grand Low 28. I think it's a shotgun shell that we found here. I don't know. Oh well. Bye bye. Until next time. Dolphins were out. Now they disappeared. Remember last time when they came out? At least they might have gotten a good shot. But yeah, we're at Xtabi having breakfast. Then my breakfast is almost finished. Then we were having a dolphin show, and then I didn't get to get them. Oh. Where are they?
Right there, right there was one.
They usually travel in pack. Oh, there they are. Come on, another one for me, please. Please, they're just right there. They were right there just now. But now they're gone. Turn. Oh, there they are. Can you go in? Oh. Yeah, they're right there. Oh. Wow. Ooh. I hope this looks good when it's zoomed in. Where the dolphins at? Yeah, so that's good. It's good when you come to Xtabi and can get a dolphin show, don't? Anyways, back to breakfast.